To my channel. My name is Damsod and today I'm gonna show you my new smartwatch. Yes, it's a smartwatch. So here's our Kobe and here's our Katie. Hello. And today this is a smartwatch. Yes, it is. And
I
is
can
that
hold
a
the camera.
fidget spinner?
My fidget
Hold on the
spinner.
camera, please. It's a fidget spinner.
My favorite color.
Whoa. And
Whoa.
my favorite color is light blue. Yeah. So today this is the unboxing. Yes, it is.
First smartwatch.
So
Smartwatch.
this is it.
This is 50,000 guys. This is it.
Okay.
This is it.
I hope the battery is charged or whatever. Oh, it's working.
It comes with a charger.
Oh, it's working. And it makes some creepy noise. Yeah.
That's how it works.
So here's the call list and phone book, whatever. And here is what it does.
Man, that's so bright.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is. I don't know if I will show you the whole thing, like every app in it. The only thing I know is the speedometer. When we walk, it counts our steps.
Yes.
There's the one, and it's wide, and it's not what?
Okay.
Oh, okay. It's like something.
It's
Yeah.
hard.
Yeah. So here's it. Yeah, it is.
Well done.
Now, here's it charging. It's charging
Wow.
port, and here's the camera and a little hole. I don't know what. So we're just gonna power off it, and I'll show you the rest. So, oh, it's a charger. Yes, it's a charger.
It's the world's smallest
can it-
data cable. If you know the world's
Oh
smallest
my
data
God,
cable,
it's so
this is
small.
the world's biggest
And-
data cable.
Oh, it goes like this.
It
It
goes
goes
over
like this,
here
if
like
you can
this.
see it. And we do it right there. Okay. Now, let's go to the internal movement. You can. Okay, so here's it. Now we're gonna get in the internal parts.
Okay.
Internal parts.
What?
Why is
I'm
it
gonna do that
freezing? And I don't know.
Can I try?
How- Wait.
I can
What?
try that.
Oh, it's
Oh.
easy. This was easy. Oh, here's the battery. Get it out. Yeah,
man.
here's the battery. Here's the
Hopefully
part.
it will work then.
Okay.
It
Now
works then.
let's. Oh, see this. Look at this.
Okay.
Now here's the SIM port. How it opens that we don't know it. Oh, it opens
Oh.
like this. It's like
know
this. Yes. And here's the memory card.
Yeah.
So it's brand new. I don't have memory card or things for stuff like that. I will get it. I'll get for you guys. Okay. So let's go to the internal parts again. External, I mean. Oh my God, this is not.
I can
really-
try that.
Can I what?
Can I walk? Can I try it?
No, it's
Oh.
done. Okay, it's done.
Nah, it's done. It's done.
Where is
What?
where?
I can try that. I know what that is.
I don't
Oh,
understand. And I have done it.
Can I say that?
Hey, okay.
Smartwatch.
Now it's for £50.
And
You
it's
can
of
say
gold.
that.
You can see this.
Now
It's of gold.
let's see if it works. It's not working. So I messed up its system, yeah. I know it. Let's try to fix it. I'll pause the video until... So guys, it's finally fixed. Oh! The shopkeeper did one kindness. And you know what? And here it is. The battery is full. At least I guess. Oh, this is the notification bars and ongoing bar. We can do this and whatever. The brightness. Oh, Oh, so it can do a little 50-pound smartwatch can do this all. It's the Bluetooth, yeah, and the time is in current. Oh, 2018, 1 month. Oh my God, it's like December, and it's finally over. So almost over, and the new year is coming. So guys, I'm gonna say one thing right. This camera is like weird. I don't know how do we
Take our own picture.
like what?
I know, like, but
Bad.
it's
Okay.
pretty bad.
Okay, for the ending,
It's pretty hard.
come we will do it. This is worth it. This is really worth it. I guess at least. And here's the different types of vlogs we can see. Okay, so guys, it's over. This is what I did. And Happy New Year, guys. Bye.